What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other. Well, guys, listen, I'm sorry. I don't like filming in my car. I only do it in a pinch. Actually, it's not even my car, it's my minivan. You know, I'm a father of 5, lots of children. So, rocking the minivan today. Like I mentioned a few videos back, we're moving. We are moving into our new house. Over the past couple days, actually. It's been like a multiple day move. You've been there before, right? You know how it goes. You have a lot of stuff. I have way too much stuff. But this is a motivated Monday. And so we are going to go on to challenge number 2 for myself, which was the 10K part of the Operation Valor trifecta. And guys, you saw last week that I did the 5K and broke those 2 PRs. Guess what came in the mail today, son? Check it out. And this also came with that wedge, the first of the wedge for the trifecta on the back too. So this video is going to be about the second part of the trifecta, getting that 10K portion of it. And I throw a little twist in there, and I'll explain that to you here. So the twist is this hill right here that runs through my neighborhood. It's roughly 1,000 feet in elevation, and that elevation happens in less than half of a mile. So since I'm doing this for Operation Valor, I wanted to kind of mix this up a little bit, and I'm going to be carrying this 40-pound weight with me as I go up and down the big hill. This is just part of a pool noodle that I've cut, and I put this on there to protect my shoulder because I'll be carrying that on my shoulder as I go up and down. All right, well, for this one, I'm going to be out here for a few hours doing this one, so the running hat is coming out. The running shoes are going to be coming off, and my obstacle course race shoes are going to be used for this one since I'll be trekking that big hill multiple times. Also, about the 3rd mile, I'll be taking in a little energy gel here to keep me going, probably at about mile 3. So hopefully endurance will kick in, and I'll be able to finish this one up with honors. And I start the 10K right here at what we call the clubhouse. And when you go from this point all the way to the end of this road, it's just a little over 1 mile. Now, once I start traveling here, I stop here at my house. This is the one with the for sale sign in it. You see us trying to sell our house there. And so I pick up the 40-pound weight right there at my house, and then I start to carry it, and I carry it down this long hill. All right, so now I'm at the bottom of that massive hill. From where I started carrying the weight to this point right here, I put the weight down there in that little ravine thing and jog all the way down to the end of my neighborhood there, and then come back and get it. That was about 0.45 miles of carrying the weight. So almost half a mile of carrying the weight. And then I'm gonna leave it here, and I'm gonna jog and come back and get it. Then I keep cruising, and I get to the end of my neighborhood right there. That sidewalk that you see there at the end, that's just a little more than a mile. So when I turn around, I start heading back. What that basically means is to do this 10K, I would have to go back and forth a total of 6 times. And let me tell you, going up that hill is no joke. Oh my goodness, especially with that 40-pound weight on your shoulder. You're going up about 1,000 feet. Also, one thing, I gave a rule to myself. I was not allowed to put the weight down. Then, as you see here at my house, I put the weight back down there, that house there on the left with the for sale sign, that's mine again. And then I would jog all the way back to the clubhouse where I started, and then turn back around and do it all over again. All right, guys, so I'm right at halfway, 3.1 miles, so it's time for some yummy goodness. Cliff Shot Energy Gels. Delicious and nutritious, sort of. And a proud sponsor of TRT Community's Motivated Mondays. Not really. That's good. So thanks for watching, guys, and thank you also to my supporters. I really appreciate you guys. Good questions lately, good comments too. And I've noticed a lot of dialogue between you guys helping each other, and that's exactly what I want for this channel. That's exactly what we should be doing. Leave a like if you don't mind. If you were rooting me on, saying, yeah, go Cole, you can do it. And listen, I want to root you on too. Leave a comment below about what you've been doing to not waste your motivation. That's what this month has been about, not wasting our motivation, but using it to better ourselves and to help others. That's why I also want to encourage you to visit opvalor.org and maybe try the same challenge that I'm doing of trying to get that trifecta, doing a 5K, a 10K, and then a half marathon, and getting that really cool trifecta. Start something this month to make yourself better than you were last month, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Peace.